Yai Municipality has streamlined its flood relief registration process and extended service hours to ensure residents receive financial assistance as quickly as possible. Yai Municipality has revamped its flood relief registration system after widespread problems with the online platform, which left many residents unable to register on time. The municipality has now simplified the process by requiring only a national ID card and by separating applicants into 4 groups. First being homeowners, second, renters, rental homes without house numbers, third, mansions, apartments, condominiums, dormitories, and lastly, owner-occupied homes without house numbers. Now, to speed up operations, staff have been deployed to Prince of Songkhla University for rapid data entry. All documents submitted at the municipality are immediately forwarded to the university for processing, helping to reduce waiting times. Deputy Municipal Clerk Supachai Chayawan said the goal is to ensure relief reaches residents as quickly as possible, with service lanes divided according to housing type to avoid repeated queues. Flood-affected resident Prayurasak Rungrod Sakunpon from the Takian area said his rented home was flooded up to the roof, with ceiling collapse and total property loss, including equipment for his chicken rice stall. He attempted online registration for days, but the system repeatedly failed. Now, with a simplified process requiring only an ID card, he hopes the relief fund will help him recover from the damage.
ของเสียหายหมดทุกชิ้นเลยไม่มีอะไรเหลือถ้าได้เงินเยียวยานี่เราจะได้มาฟื้นฟูอย่างนี้โอเคเลยเพื่อความรวดเร็วเพราะประชาชนทุกคนมีความเดือดร้อนหมดทุกคนเลย